Hello everybody, and tonight we are looking at APTX stock again, or Apex stock, and because we want to do a more in-depth video, this one's going to be a little bit longer. So yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy. If you think you will enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 100,000, so if you could help us on the way, it would be appreciated. So tonight we're going to be looking at what the company actually does, why I can see this one being a big company in the future, and whether you should buy, because potentially in the future I can see this stock being worth a lot more. And when it comes to the actual buy rating, I see this one being as one which you should potentially buy right now and then hold for a longer period of time. So I'm going to give you an update on the patterns which we are seeing, what I would do with all these things, and then we're going to move on to a future rating and whatnot, and also what the company does. So looking at the chart pattern and nothing alone, we can see that the stock price has taken a small dip since the start of the week, and you know what, I think that's fair. The merger news was announced at the start of the week, and I know that this is not, always the case, but looking at a few mergers that we can see on the chart here, basically what happens is we have a first spike, and this is true for both of the mergers on screen. I've brought up a Tortoise merger and also Nicola's merge. In both of these mergers, we saw it increase as the news got announced, then it dipped back down. Fair enough for both of them. And then from there, once the merger was actually going through, the price did take an increase and then it dipped off. And of course, I've talked about this pattern in last night's episode on this stock and in many other episodes. But yeah, I think this is a first, increase and then dip subsequently. And I think that's not really something to be worried about, because either way, I can see this stock going much higher. Pre-merger and post-merger as well, but especially pre-merger, because we will probably see a dip post-merger. So yes, I think it's probably a good time to wait a few days potentially. It looks like that curve may be lowering and we could be seeing a bottom to this decrease soon, and if that does happen, then yes, it's probably the time to buy in if you wish to do so. Of course, I am not a financial advisor, this is just my opinion, but that is my opinion. So of course, giving a little bit more of an in-depth view on this company, and of course this is just a business model. What they do is they work on Microsoft 365, and I think this is definitely a sustainable, and if not increase in business model, and I think subsequently the share price is going to increase. So in the last few episodes we've just looked at the realistic factors regarding the company. In this one, we are having a little bit more of a look, at the actual fundamentals behind the company and why the company operates in this way and what this means for the future. So yeah, they are trusted worldwide by a lot of different companies. If you look on screen, there are some of their clients, and if you think about what they are doing with Microsoft 365, they are doing a lot of things. So just to summarize it, a few of the things which they do is migrate data to new platforms and whatnot. They also manage that data and they can protect it as well. So of course, data protection and whatnot is a big industry for the future. It's a big industry now, but it's definitely growing into the future. Another thing is Microsoft 365 has a monthly user count of 200 million, which is absolutely insane. Just think about that. So many people use this platform, and of course, a lot of these are going to be businesses and business people, and they are going to want protection for their business in the future. I'm not saying that Avepoint is the only company out there offering this, but it is a hot stock. A lot of people are looking to this one, and I think it's definitely going to be a growth stock. My prediction for it, I have said it in the past, I think we're going to see a huge increase in sell-off leading up to the merger. Once that merger does go through, I think we'll see the stock price, start to flatten out, and then I think we'll see it start to take a steady increase to a level where it is comfortable at. And when I say level it's comfortable at, of course, once the stock does fully go into market, it will have to find a price point which it is comfortable and appropriate trading at, whether that's $10, $20. I think it'd be more like $30 to $50, but I think it is going to have to wait a while before we do see those results. But yeah, I can see this one being one of those opportunities, especially pre-merger. If you want to go for a swing trade, a short-term trade, it could personally be a great opportunity in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please do leave that like and subscribe. Help us on the journey to 100k, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.